Ladies and gentlemen, boys and squirrels, I am TRS Matt, and I must admit that I've always had somewhat of a soft spot in my heart for a slammed Audi, especially a wagon, I'll tell you that. But one thing that I don't like is the old school lighting. On an era like this, you've got the bi-xenon headlights, which are kind of semi-modern by today's standard, but you're still stuck with OEM halogen fog lights. And for a car that's about as dapper as this thing is, that shit is whack. We can't have it. So, of course, we're going to do it TRS style today. We've got the Morimoto XB LED Projector fog lights, which come available in all different kinds of compatibilities for Audis and Volkswagens of this era. They produce tons of extra light output, so they actually give you more light output on the road, help you see better. And not only that, but they look much more modern and look great when they're installed in the car. Tons of bang for the buck. For the price that these things cost, you can't go wrong. We're going to go ahead and install these things on the RS4, and we'll show you what they're all about. One thing to consider after you put in the brand new modern LED fog lights is that they might make your HID headlights look a little bit more old school than you intended. And that's actually the fact of the matter when it comes to HIDs that you find in all these different older Audis and Volkswagens, is as they age, they naturally color shift, and on top of that, they also lose a lot of their luminosity. If you guys are thinking about doing a fog light upgrade and you got the front end of your car apart, don't stop there. Cop a brand new set of HID bulbs to match. And if you want to get something that's going to match these fog lights well, go for something that's going to be a 5500K or a 6K HID bulb, and it'll be perfect. So this thing was pretty badass when it rolled in here, I gotta admit. But if you're going to spend a couple $100 doing your next mod on your Audi or Volkswagen, definitely cop a set of the XB LED fog lights from Morimoto. They certainly complete the front end look of this car, add a more modern appearance, and they also perform better at night. What more could you ask for? I love them, they look great. Check them out, see if we've got an option for you.